Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good evening. Hello, Mr. Adil and Miss Ola. Today, I want to conversation with Miss Tiara.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Adi, Miss Ola. Okay, so Aisha, what is our topic today?
Our topic today is childhood memory.
Okay, so our topic today is about your childhood
Yes.
memory. Okay, maybe I want to ask you, did you miss your childhood?
Yes, I miss my child because in my child I go to anywhere.
Okay. So what do you used to do when you were a child?
I have one memory. If I go to Bali,
Okay.
I think this 2 or 3 years old. I go to Singaraja. Singaraja is a little city in Bali.
Okay.
This is the famous in Bali, and I don't know why I go to there, but I think uh, my grandfather family in Bali.
Oh, so when you were childhood, you ever go to Bali
Yes.
with your family
Yes.
to visit your grandfather's house?
Yes, my grandfather house in Bali.
Okay, that's a good
Yeah.
that's a good holiday when you were childhood. But what you used to do with your friends? I mean, like, what did you play?
Oh, uh, in my childhood, I don't have many friends. I think
Okay.
because I'm introvert.
I see.
But I have two friends. My best friend. This is my cousin. I think. Yes. When I go to village, grandmother village,
Your
in
village.
every holiday, Sunday and Saturday maybe, I play in river.
Okay,
Yes.
playing
Yes.
rivers. And then?
And then uh, I meet some friends.
You meet a new friend.
Yes,
new
in
friends in the river.
Yes, is a boy.
What did he do?
He like my friend.
Okay. Okay. He
This so
he
strange,
likes you.
I think.
Mhm.
But every we to the river,
Mhm.
we meet the child, the boy.
So, if you went to the river
Yes,
again,
yes.
you will always meet him.
Yes.
Okay. What did he do in the river? Did
Just-
he fish? Fishing
No, just
or-
looking me and my friends. I don't know.
That's cute, but it's kind of weird. Like
Yes.
you are just a kid, okay?
This is so scary, but I think. But my friend think this is so cute.
Oh, I think your friends like him too.
But now, I think I don't see him again.
How about your friends?
My friends not mm, we broke after not see him again. But
Okay.
after that, yes, that's right. Nothing.
Nothing happened.
Yes.
Because it's just a childhood,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Childhood story.
Did you feel happy
About what?
about your childhood?
Uh, yes, I'm happy. But in my what do you mean SD?
Elementary school.
Elementary school, I don't have friends
Why? Why you didn't have a friend?
because I think that time my friends girl is so good.
Little.
Yes. So, meaning? Not bullying, but I don't need friends.
Okay, so you prefer to be alone than
Yes,
have a friend.
I like alone.
Okay.
I think this enough.
Oh, okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you. It's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well,